You said a couple times that you're ready to adjust the monetary policy further, if required, as a result of this evolving situation. What will you be looking for in terms of the virus specifically, in terms of North America, Canada? What are you actually going to be looking for before you make decisions about what you're going to do next steps?
Well, as I indicated before, we made a decision this week not to dip our toe in the water, but rather to make a decisive and clear move so that people get immediate impact through mortgage renewals and cash flow for those with flexible mortgages. And so we believe we've done a lot there to cushion a blow. We don't know how big the blow might be, so we'll be looking at ways to figure out how big that blow might be and how long it might last. So, as I said, look, if production is going to be disrupted, if people need to stay home from work with their children, monetary policy has no means of addressing those things. It's what economists call supply shocks. But what we can do is put a little bit of a safety net in underneath that, so people can say, well, the good news is my mortgage payments are going to be $100 less per month or whatever, so I've got a little extra cash flexibility than I didn't expect. And so you've put something in there. But really, what the coordination discussion is going towards is what sort of targeted measures can be taken to protect those of us who are the most vulnerable, people who do get sick and then are at home for 2 weeks or in hospital for 2 weeks or whatever, or those who have to be home because their kids are going to be not in school. So in Japan, they've got closed the schools. Some people have to stay home. So companies are taking actions in concert with the government to kind of cushion that blow for the most vulnerable people. So those kinds of measures have to be, formulated and thought about and so on. And of course, that would be something you'd want to take into account about whether one needs to do anything more or if it's of purpose to do something more in monetary space.